This is an example of an activity we do that keeps us entertained and distracted for a long period of time, and it's so good and fun to do.
Another reason why this is good is because we get to work together.
And it also doesn't make us bored.
And it also keeps us away from the TV.
So while we're making the apple crumble, let's talk about the half term. The half term was 1 week long, so it wasn't really that long, and it flew by like crazy. So the half term is coming to an end, and reviewing this apple crumble it's just amazing how we were working together and we were just catching fun while making this easy recipe.
Yeah, the recipe was really easy, and the one thing I really enjoyed about this recipe was because of how we were able to distract ourselves and stop ourselves from watching TV.
And the one thing that was great throughout the holidays was that we got to make pancakes, which was really delicious.
One thing me, Daniel and Emmanuel really enjoyed doing over the break was playing football at the park.
Even though the halftime break holidays was short, we all spended time together, and that's what counts.
Emmanuel, why did you say half time?
I meant half term.
Okay,
buddy.
Okay. Emmanuel's right. We spent all of our halftime break bonding and spending time with each other, and that's what made this halftime break so beautiful and wholesome. So, as we're making this crumble recipe we followed from our mom's channel, enjoy the rest as we are also gonna serve this apple crumble to our parents and seeing their reactions. So keep watching and enjoy the rest of the vid.